If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you to lecture 5 of this GATE Engineering Math Probability series. Today I have taken 5 questions, question number 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. And that's all I have at present in probability. If I find new, I will edit an extra lecture. Okay then, let's try to solve it. 17, an urn contains 5 red balls and 5 black balls. In the first draw, one ball is picked at random and discarded without noticing the color. It is discarded means they have thrown that ball out. What is the probability they would get a red ball in the second draw? So they are drawing one by one. So total case will be there are how many balls? 5 red and 5 black. So first they will take 10C1. They have drawn one ball. So out of this 10 ball, one ball is selected. Next they will select because in the after first trial they will discard one means they will remove one. Now number of balls in the box is reduced one, so now we have 9 balls. So this is the total case. Total this much way you can pick that ball, but you need favorable things. What you need, that is in the numerator, that is the probability. Total is denominator, favorable is numerator. Now what is the thing you need? You need the second red ball. First one doesn't matter, but first one matters here. If you throw a black ball in the first attempt, then if you want to take red ball in second attempt, you will have 5 red balls. But if you throw a red ball in the first attempt, then in the second attempt you will have 4 red balls. So that's why there are two cases. Case means or means here it will be summation, because both these cases will not occur simultaneously, either this or that. So that is plus, because or means union means A plus B minus intersection. Intersection is not possible here. No common term, either this or this. So that's why union become directly plus. So the first case, if I take the ball is, suppose it is not red ball, the first ball it thrown is black ball. So it has chosen one black ball, 5C1, so it has been thrown. Now in the second trial it will take from one red ball. That is done, it got red ball. First black, then red. In the or what can it be? It can be the first one itself is a red and second one is also red. First one you have thrown red, so 5C1. Second time if you want to go for red, then it is 4C1. So it is 25 plus 20 by 90. 45 by 90. So it is half. That is your option. Let the probability density function of a random variable given by again small f. So again you can think of it as a continuous random variable. So the ux is a unit step function. So what is the formula for u? What is the meaning of ux? Ux means it is nothing but this is known as unit step function. This is one level. This is x. So at 0, that means beyond 0 there is no history. Beyond 0 it is 0. After 0 it is 1. So that doesn't mean, that means simply this value fx will attain this value. If you forget this, just concentrate it. Fx, if my x is greater than 0, then fx will take this value, this into 1, because ux will give you 1. So fx will take only this value. And if x is less than 0, then this will give 0. This will give 0 answer, because it will take 0, so 0 into this 0. So this simply means fx equal to this for x greater than 0. If I only do this one. Now what is the meaning of u minus x? U minus x is nothing but this one is u minus x. Again output is 1. But if you put x equal to minus, then it will be positive. So the reverse. If you put minus 1, then it becomes positive. Then your output will be 1, because u1 will give you 1. So this is u minus x. This one. So this function represents that if x is less than 0, then answer is this into 1. This. If x is greater than 0, then this is 0, because if x is greater than 0, this side is 0. So ultimately if you add this t, that is fx is given in this way, 3 by 2 e to the power minus 3x if x is greater than 0. If x is greater, this is 1, this is 0, so this will be 0, this will be only this much. And it is a into e to the power 4x, so if x is less than 0, that's it. So you don't know a, first you find the value of a, then probability. So how to find a? You know total probability is always 1, continuous random variable, you can take integration. So minus infinity to 0 if I take, because x can take, they have not given any boundary of x, they have no boundary of x, so x can take any value, minus infinity to infinity, plus 0 to infinity a to the power 4x this is 1. If you do this one, 3 by 2 e to the power minus 3x by minus 3 minus infinity to 0. Sorry, this one is minus infinity, this is less than. This is 0 to infinity, this is minus infinity to 0, because this was for less than. Minus 1 by 3 also if I take outside. Then e to the power minus infinity minus e to the power 0 plus a by 4 e to the power 0 minus e to the power minus infinity. What is the meaning of e to the power minus infinity? E to the power minus infinity is 0. So it will give 1 minus 1 minus, then plus, the 3 get cancelled, so it is half plus, and here it will be e to the power 0 a by 4. This is equal to 1. So a by 4 is equal to half, or a is equal to 2. So now you got a is equal to 2. You check option whether it is required to calculate the other one. No. Two options are there with a equal to 2. That means you need to calculate probability x is less than 0. Less than 0 means minus infinity to 0. This one is the function. A is 2 to the power 4 is dx. So if you do this one, so it will be 1 by 2 e to the power 0 minus e to the power minus infinity. So this is half. So that means option. They have asked, candidates were asked to come to an interview with 3 pens. They have asked you to bring 3 pens, and the pen color also they have given: black, blue, green, red. Asked to permitted colors, these are the permitted colors, could bring. The probability that candidates comes with all 3 pens having the same color. Okay, for this one we have to think about what are the cases possible. All 3 having same. What are the cases? One case could be 0, 1, 1. That means all 3 different color and 1, 0. So how many cases are, this can be black 0, this can be blue 0. So what are the cases possible of arranging this one? How many cases of this you will find? Means different color, each one is different color. So you can have 0 black, you can have 0 blue, you can have 0 green, and the rest is 1, 1, 1. So we have 4 cases such type. And one thing can be, one color is of 2 pen of one color, and then no pen of 2 colors, that is black. And it can be, how many cases are possible? How to arrange this? These are 4 things. In how many ways you can arrange 4 things? 4 factorial. How many are same? 2. So divide by repeating the same one. So that is 12 cases. Here also you can do. There are 4 cases, 4 factorial, 3 repeat, 3 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, divide by 3 into 2 into 1. So answer is 4. So here also you can directly say, that's why I have written. And it is 4 into 3 into 2, 1, 24 divided by 2. And there is one more case. What are the case possible? And the next case is 0, 0, 0, 3. This is also a case. All of same color, test 3 is 0. So these are the possible cases. Do you have any other cases? Again 4 factorial by 3 factorial 4. So total case 12 plus 4, 16, 20 case. So 20 is the total case. Which one is favorable? They are asking all 3 pens of same color. This is favorable. You see, all are of same color. It can be red, it can be green, it can be blue, it can be black. 4 cases. These are favorable to us. 1 by 5, this is 0.2, that's one. Assume the traffic junction, the cycle of a traffic signal lights 2 minutes of green. 2 minutes of green light, vehicle doesn't stop, and 3 minutes of red light, vehicle stops. So green light will be on for 2 minutes, and then there will be red light for 3 minutes. Total 5-minute interval you can think of. After that, same thing repeats. Consider the arrival of a vehicle at a junction is uniformly distributed over 5 units. So uniformly distributed, we have seen what is the formula for uniformly distribution, 1 by b minus a. What is b, what is a here? If I start from 0 minute, it can go up to 5 minutes, because up to 2 minutes, 0 to 2 minutes it is green light, then 2 to 5 it is red light. So x can take, if I take one period complete, x can take 0 means at the instance when green light is on, and it can go up to 5, because after that again green, after that you will leave. Suppose you came to a, what are the possibilities that you are stuck in that junction? You can come at 0 minute just when the green light is on. You can come after 1 minute when green light is on. You can come after 2 minutes, just green light is on. Just after 2 minutes you came and then red light is. Then after 5 minutes it will again green, it will go. So these are the cases possible. So B is 5, so this is the fx, this is given 1 by 5. But here x is the, what is the, say they are saying expected waiting time, x is the waiting time. So that's why I given the wait, but waiting time is not 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a function, this will be 0 if you arrive, suppose this is my t, this is a t variable, suppose with time. So if you come in between 0 to 2 minutes, then your waiting time is 0. If you come in between 2 to 5 minutes, you can think, if you come in between 0 to 2 means you are coming when the green light is on. Green light is on means you will wait for nothing, you will go directly. So 0 waiting time. That's why they are asking to take a random variable x which will represent waiting time. That's why I am representing waiting time in terms of the t. So again, what is the value of x? For 2 to 5, 2 to 5 minutes means if I came at 3rd minute, then for how many time you have to wait? You have to wait, because your red light will be, you have come at 3rd minute, so you have to wait for 2 minutes. So this is 5 minus t. If you come at 4th minute, then you have to wait for 1 minute, because 1 minute red light will be there. After 5 minutes it will be. So this is my x, you can say. So what is the expectation? Expectation for waiting time, e of x. This is x is waiting time expectation. What is the formula for expectation? X into f of x. So f of x is nothing but this one, 1 by 5. This is constant, into f of x is this. So for 0 to 5 we want to go, but 0 to 2 is already 0, no need to go. So you can directly write 2 to 5. So this into 5 minus t. Or let me complete it, 0. Okay. 0 to 2, then 2 to 5, complete. So this one is not required. So this is 1 by 5, 5t minus t square by 2, 2 to 5. If you put all this value, I think I am not putting it, you can easily put it, I think. So you will find the answer as 9 by 2, so it will be 0.9. That is given in 21. A person decides to toss a fair coin repeatedly until he gets head. He will make at most 3 tosses. Let the random variable y denotes the number of heads. The probability, the value of variance of x, where v is the variance. Okay. So what is the random variable? Number of heads. How many head he can have? He will throw it repeatedly until he gets head. Once he gets head, then he will stop. So how many head he can have maximum? Maximum he can have 1 head. Once he get head, then he will stop, he will not throw. So maximum he can go up to 1 head. He can have 0 head, he can have 1 head. So this is value of y. And then you have to find py. I am writing the table to finding v of x. Actually v of y is equal to v of x, we say, whatever. It is e of x square, e of y square minus e of y whole square. This is actually the formula to calculate v of y. So for that we need y into py, because y into py will give me ey, and then ex square also needs, so we need y square, and y square into py. This will give me ey square. So what is the probability of getting 0? 0 means no head. So how many trial he will say? He will go for at most 3 toss. He will give 3 toss only. And he have given 3 toss, he got no head, 0 head. Meaning every time he got tail. So half, half, half. So this is 1 by 8. So this is 1 by 8. What is the probability of getting 1 head? Okay. 1 head he can get it in first trial. This is first trial, suppose. So that's why it is half. Then he will get 1 head in second trial. That means first trial was tail, second trial was head. Or he can get it in third trial, tail head. So half plus 4, 7 by 8. So now you can complete the table easily. So 0 into this, it will be 0, this will be 7 by 8, 0 square 1. This into 0 into 1, this 1 into 7. Now what will be variance then? Ex square, this is 7 by 8, this is also 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 minus 7 by 8 whole square. So I think you will get 7 by 64. That is option C. Okay, then that's all. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.